Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to validate input using HTML pattern. Okay, here is pattern that allows from A to Z is capital letter and A to Z is small letter. Here example CHIN space error. I will put number the same, special character the same, okay, and underscore the same, and mouse so the border color. Okay, let's start together. Here I will zoom in. Here is HTML structure. HTML structure I use Bootstrap version 5.1, and here is sample style like this. I will show you run on server again. Okay, like this here. To snap, I will show you like this. Okay. Here is sample style to show all of you like this. Okay. Now we start to write HTML together. Input, type, text, input like this. Okay. Placeholder, enter your name. Cell more you got like this. Okay, so like this. Okay, and then I use a bootstrap style class from control. Okay, form form control. Okay, I got bootstrap style like this. Okay, so I was the pattern. Okay, here A to Z is capital letter, A to Z, and A to Z small letter, A to Z small letter plus. Okay, and then let's start to write CI together to validate input here, and input invalid. I input invalid here. Okay, enter. I use the animation. Okay, I use publishing K8 PUB publishing duration. I set 7.4 seconds. Okay, here I will remove and then I will add keyframe. Keyframe identity file. I use K8 publishing. In here you can use other name that you like. Okay, for me I will use K8 publishing. Okay, K8 means Cambodia or Khmer people. Okay, I will add 25% transform boon for picture. Okay, I will use and then like this. Okay, borders pixel solid red. Okay, and then I will copy path here 15. Okay, letters. Okay, and copy one more. Okay, I will use colors like this. Okay, now we start together and we follow this pattern. Okay, see number. Okay, special character. Okay, and animation is fast 3. Okay, I use pixel ph. Okay, ph test again. Độ clear, okay. Number, okay. Number. My off don't have a border color, okay. So I will set in here. Borders, 3 pixels, 2 pixels solid and color it, okay. And here, my name, pin, okay. And I need the background. I can set background here, okay. So I would like you to have to subscribe to my channel and share this video if you love, okay. Thank you.